Do you feel like you do whatever your emotions tell you to do without a second thought? Or maybe you feel like you avoid your emotions at all cost. Maybe you avoid them so much that you don't even realize that you're feeling them. Are you someone who identifies with this concept of sensitivity, but you're not really sure where you fit in? By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify what your sensitivity looks like. And it's really, really important for us to understand the type of sensitivity that we have so that we can not only help to navigate our own emotions, but also help others to understand us. I'm Dr. Mary Kate Ruhan. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist, and I help feelers go from overwhelmed to empowered. As a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. If you need more support, please reach out to a mental health provider in your state. Today, we're going to talk about two emotional patterns: emotional reactivity and emotional avoidance. Emotional reactivity is when you act on your emotions. So whatever your emotion is telling you to do, you go for it. You may be emotionally reactive if you're someone who has suddenly bought a plane ticket that you can't afford, or you miss a big commitment because you're feeling really down. People who are emotionally reactive frequently experience regret, shame, and guilt after acting on their emotions. They might think to themselves, why did I do that? Why do I have to be this way? And they may tell themselves, I need to stop this. I'm never doing this again. So if you are emotionally reactive, you need specific tools to help you pause before you act on your emotions. That's how you break the cycle of feeling an emotion like anger, lashing out, and then the next day, why did I do that? Or feeling really excited and making plans, and then the next day thinking, ooh, I don't have the money to do that. Emotional avoidance is about dodging your feelings at all costs. Now, you could be consciously emotionally avoiding. Ugh, I don't want to feel sad anymore. I'm going to turn on the TV and distract myself. Or it could actually be unconscious. Emotional avoidance can also look like overeating, overworking, going so hard that you have no energy left and you just feel numb. Oftentimes, with emotional avoidance, you can look alive on the outside and really be struggling on the inside. Whether you are emotionally reactive or emotionally avoidant, there are lots of strategies that you can use to start to change your relationship to those feelings. Allowing yourself to access the emotion, take a pause, and then make a choice about how you want to respond. And if you'd like to learn a specific skill that you can use to have a more healthy relationship with your emotions, whether you are emotionally reactive or emotionally avoidant, check out my video on Wise Mind.